In this picture, there are differences between the picture on the left and the picture on the right. There are 5 differences. Can you find the differences? Let's take a look. In the picture on the left, there are 3 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3 ladybugs. In the picture on the right, there is only 1 ladybug. So there are fewer ladybugs in the picture on the right than there are in the picture on the left. In the picture on the left, this little girl is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat on her head. In the picture on the right, she is not wearing a hat. So that is another difference. The same little girl in the picture on the left is wearing a red shirt. In the picture on the right, she is wearing a pink shirt. So the color of her shirt is different in the picture on the left than it is in the picture on the right. In the picture on the left, this group of flowers are purple. They are colored purple. They are purple in color. In the picture on the right, those flowers are blue. So these flowers are a different color than these flowers. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 differences. There's one more difference. Can you find it? Do you see one more difference? Let's take a look at this window. This is the upstairs window for this house. This window has yellow curtains in the window. In the picture on the right, this house does not have any curtains in the window. So that is the 5th difference between the 2 pictures.